just lap time with Leela. This'll know. This'll, don't fight the baby. Baby's just here for lap time. Hi, Tandy. Hi, Hagrid. Hey, Betty. Oh my good lord. He's still chasing his hopefully wife. Which means I really need him to go home before they pair up. Oh, hi, Penny. No, don't fight the baby. Don't fight the baby. Do not baby fight. Preening her is fine. That's okay. That was too hard. Preening her is fine. Preening her is fine. That was a little too hard. Need to be gentle. Good boy. Good boy. That's better, Thistle. Good boy. Thank you, honey. You want my shoulder? You want your shoulder spot? Oh my God, Gus, no. Gus, the baby could not handle you biting her. Tandy is a grown-ass woman. You're not going to seriously injure Tandy pitching her off my knee. Hi, Gus. Hello, Elliot. Hello, Elliot. Oh, good. You did drink water. You did drink water. This morning she had a huge lump of food in her throat and she needed to drink water to move it. Peep, I know. Hi, Vinny. Oliver is 9 weeks old today, which means he gets his final vaccine. And if his fecal sample is clean, he can go home on Monday. We'll be letting his mom know. Dad, I never asked. That might have been rude. I will have to apologize. Oh, where is my indica? There she is. There she is. Hi, Vinny. Oh God, peep jousting never gets less funny. That's being very sweet, Elliot. Thank you. What y'all don't see is Thistle on the other side of the camera trying to preen both of these peeps through the screen. Oh no, there was an altercation with Gus. Didn't actually get close enough for Gus to grab him. Hi, Oliver. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, good boy. Peep, peep. I know. Honk. Good job. You're being very sweet. Yes, you're also being very sweet, Elliot. Oh, my lordy. Hey, Gus. Gus, you want preenins? Gus, you want preenins? You rather I preen you with this hand? Is that better? Okay. That's better. That is acceptable for a Gus. Oh my God, Thistle. Thistle is preening Gus on the screen. And preening the entire screen. God, you're adorable. How are you so cute? How are these so cute? Honk, I know. These peeps aren't going to feed you. What a happy Gus. What a sweet and happy Gus. Cool. Yes, hello, Lily. Oh my God, Lily, hi. Bye, Lily. You butt. Good luck with that. Hi, Vinny. Oh no, Rigby is looking for her peep. Okay, Rigby, I've got her. Yeah, I've got her. I'm bringing her back. Excuse me, Thistle. Thistle, Elliot, I need to move. Rigby would like her daughter back. There, Rigby. There's your bitty pig. Rigby's like, I'm full of food here. There's a girl. There's my good girl. Rigby is best mom. Look at these little lap jockeys. Heaven help me if I try to get them off. Oh, Elliot's gone off to eat food some more. What a good peep. There are Indica and Sativa snuggled in their box. Hi, Vinny. Good boy. Beep, beep, I know. Hello. Hello, Thistle. Hello, Vinny. We'll probably find, you're probably going to be very easy to adopt when it's your turn to retire. Hi, Lily. Oh my good Lord, Lily. Can I bring you? Look how shiny you're getting. Look how shiny you're getting. Just like your mama, so full of green and purple. Oh, you're getting me such a shiny boy. Oh, you're such a shiny boy. You're such a shiny, shiny Thistle. Oh. That's not a food hole. There's no food in there. Now, Thistle was kind of hands-off initially, but having seen Elliot and Indica come snuggle with me on the daily, now he does it. Look at that, Sammy caused trouble. Yeah, he's another one we're gonna have to move soon. Oh, Thistle. Elliot, no, don't preen between my toes. You don't know where them toes have been. Hello. You want pettins? You want pettins, little peep? Yeah. Little peep wants pettins. Sweet little peep wants pettins. Pettins. Pettins for peep. Pettins for peep. Oh, Brainy. Pettins for peep. Pettins. Oh my Lord, look at that comfy, comfy baby. Yeah, after this Friday, we're going to have to start working her really hard with practice unboxings and such. We have unfortunately run out of time to continue working with Oliver, since this will be his final shot, and if his fecal is clear, he can go home on Monday. So we're not going to be able to offer him as fully trained. We haven't had the opportunity to take him out on the harness. We haven't done any more practice unboxings because while we were treating these guys with worms, we didn't want to expose Anku and Bird. Lily and Sammy having words. I'm gonna miss my little Halloween baby. He's so sweet. Actually, all three of these need to go, him and Mia and PJ. Silk already has a home lined up. He's going to rejoin his wife. They're just not going to be allowed to hatch anything. You're so precious. You know those holes go to my skin, right? What a good little weep. What a good little weep. Bless you. Look at that PJ trying to show everyone who's boss. You do think he's badass. Hello, Lily. You're quite handsome. This is wee Emilio, the world's most spoiled peep. These are definitely Tandy's kids. Look at them, they can't even help themselves. As much as I love Indica, Indica's already starting to get a little bit more standoffish. She sure doesn't get that from Vinny, does she, buddy? Oh no, that's now Thistle's spot. Not Thistle. Elliot. Beep beep. Oh yeah. Y'all, what didn't act on this peep missed out. Because these two are now officially my crown jewels. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. What a preeny baby. Precious Elliot. It's kind of important that I spend time just sitting with them every day. Look at Elliot's little happy forehead. See how those feathers are starting right here, are floofing up when I pet her? Yeah, that's a happy little bird. Will floof up just like her mama's. Yeah. I love chill time after breakfast. Cute. There are 4 adults here who need to go. Gus is spoken for, but she's going to move out with my housemates when they go. you know, unless there becomes some either social or physiological issue where she shouldn't be out in the loft anymore. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this peep. Look at this spoiled peep. I know. Oh, this Elliot. Oh, Preeny, Preeny. Yeah. Yeah, Preeny girl. I sure can't guarantee her to be a forever peep, but it's definitely going to be a hot minute before a bird comes along with a less pleasant temperament than this. And it's not just because she's baby. She's 6 weeks old. This is usually when their independent streak starts hitting them really hard. And she's learned to be pushy enough to make sure that she can get what she needs to eat and drink and all. She's learned when to be assertive and when she needs to step off. She just likes being in my lap. So the decision has been made. We are going to be keeping Farthing for the breeding project. He is going to take Cody's place when he reaches 6 months. I am still keeping Leela. Leela doesn't have any foot feathering. I really, really like Farthing's markings. Look at that. Look how pretty that boy is. And look at his little bitty curl. I'm sorry. This one got mad that I took this specific hand away from her. She was comfy like that. She was comfy. And just like, how dare you take away Elliot's comf? She was at maximum codes. How could I be such a monster? Maximum codes. What a beep. You hear the outside birds? You also hear them. Ain't she, Bree? That thing she's doing with her mouth is affectionately referred to as smacky beaking. The pigeon equivalent of a little kid smacking their lips. Oh, she loafed. Well, now I'm trapped. I can never get up again. I have this distressingly adorable loaf in my lap. And that cozy one foot next to me. And this preeny muffin. Who may not not super like me to pet him, but does super like to be either in my lap or on my shoulder. He's a good and happy boy. Well, we've hit the 20-minute mark. So, in addition to our clients, adopters, and apprentices in both companion breeding and rescue work, I would like to thank our subscribers here on YouTube, our wonderful patrons on Patreon, the friends of our Facebook business page, and our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for your contributions, both financial and intellectual. We deeply appreciate you. You make more of this possible. Oh, I know. With much love from the flock and myself, we will see you tomorrow.